y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Allison Alanna. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. So right now I am actually out here looking for some work to do. It is about 10:20 and I did find some good orders, but I would have to run back over to a different side of town and I wouldn't be finished in time because it's one pickup, but it's like 10 deliveries from that one pickup. And it's not going to be in that city or the city that I'm going, or in this city. So I wouldn't be done in time. The estimated time is about 3 hours or so. And I got to get my kids from school, so I kind of have to stay local. And even if I request a if I submit a request for an order in another city, they preferably like me to be already in that city. So a lot of times if you're not already there, you're not going to get accepted. So, and I typically would stay on this side of town because my kids go to school on this side of town, and then I'll leave after because I'm not going to be up and down the street burning gas and unnecessarily. So yeah, so hopefully I can find something to do over on this side of town. I think in the meantime though, I'm gonna edit this video that I have that needs to go out today. It will serve as, yeah, it'll go out today. August is taking a nap across my lap as usual, and yeah, it's not a whole lot going on right now. I don't know why he's napping this early because it's 10 something. Typically he don't go to nap till about 12:30 and he'll sleep till about 2 o'clock. Why he trying to sleep this early today, I don't know. Normally around this time he'd be asking me for something else to eat. But yeah, that's what's going on for the time being, and I'll see y'all in a few. So somebody has awoken. I'm literally still sitting here in the same day on spot. I've been browsing the app, checking things, and then just trying to I did a little bit of recording, as y'all can see, and just browsing through some things, scheduling some things out, stuff like that. So I would literally sit, ow, my nail, in a random place and do what I gotta do. Like, that's how you know when your nails is old, when it starts to, you go like this and the nails start to bend back under the base of it. Oh God, that crap be hurting. I don't want it to break off. That's something I could be doing right now for real, but I don't want to be going, I don't want to go with August, to be honest. He do too, well, he don't do too much, but you know, typically when I used to take him when he was younger, I would just get my feet done and I wouldn't do my nails. That way I could still hold him and they could be doing what they gotta do. But when they doing my nails, if I might gotta run after him or take something from him or something, I can't do that because my hands are occupied. I don't know how I feel. Should I try it with you all? What? What hurt? You always trying to take your coat off. Yeah. I'm gonna pull this back like this because it kind of be putting a little pressure on the bump right there. My hair, I hope it look fine when I finally do it, because I've been wearing this hat for a couple weeks, like 2-3 weeks. I ain't combed my hair out. I literally just stuffed my hair underneath here. And this hat, you know, the texture is bad for African American hair on a daily basis. Like, we supposed to sleep on silk or have like silk things in contact with our hair, and I've been wearing it like, it's okay if you just like wearing it in the morning and you get to your location and you take it off, but I've been wearing it like all day long on my head. So I hope I still got some hair to do. I got to do mine and Ace's. Hopefully I can get to that today. Yeah. And, no, these nails. I don't know. Let's see. I'm about to check the app again for some more orders. August is literally lifting weights and bench pressing with my broom. Okay, he's bench pressing with the darn broom. I still ain't did my head. I want to do. You okay? Okay. So I want to do Ace here first, but I need to still cook dinner. Child, I'm so behind. Let me go over there. My chicken is already thawed out. Stop. Come on, because I'm not trying to get hit with no broom. I'm going to have to give y'all what y'all need. Y'all do that.
That's because I got these birthdays.
So let me go make my little dinner. And, well, let me make my big dinner. It's not this little over here, right? And then start braiding Ace's hair down. I ripped my card by accident a second ago, but look at this wonderful gift card that I came home to, slid under my door, honey, under my door. All right, it is the next day, y'all. I literally just got back in from I just got back in from Walmart. The vlogger has ran over here to come talk. So, I went out there to go get some couple of things that I needed from the store, and then I did an order before I went to Walmart, and then I didn't get no more, so I went to Walmart and grabbed like 3 little items, and I forgot to vlog while I was out there. I had got something to eat as well. I sat in the car and ate. And I didn't even pick up the camera because it was just one of those moments where people was pissing me off. People was irritating me, right? Let's just say that. People was irritating me, and my mind wasn't even on the camera at the time. But, so yeah, we're back in. I'm about to make some chicken because I took this chicken out like 2 nights ago and didn't make it. Last night I was just too tired, and the night before, I don't even remember what happened. So I'm going to make it tonight because I definitely don't want to let it go bad, which is something that I've done many a times. Taking out food to cook and end up just going bad. Like I got some ground turkey in the refrigerator now that's been in there for well over a week that I meant to cook and didn't cook. So don't want this to happen with this bag of chicken. So I'm going to get ready to start cooking some. And go from there. So I literally had no cooking oil. I had 1 drop of oil in 1 bottle, another drop in another bottle, and then I just said, you know what, forget it. I'm going to use this little bit of olive oil I got, and I added some olive oil in here. So this should be some interesting chicken because even still, it's not a lot of oil in this pot. As you can see, this is like my little test piece. I'm like, what if this chicken just burn in here or something? Like, I was going to try to do it without any flour and just kind of grill it. Like, I was just getting real experimental in my mind. But I just said, you know what, I'm going to put the flour on there and just be a big girl tonight. And depending on how it tastes, I will share this recipe with y'all because I did a little extra something to my chicken tonight. So if it tastes great, then I'll go ahead and share this recipe. If not, I'm going to just, if it ain't all that or it's just a regret attempt, then I ain't even going to share it. But we shall see. Tell me why August just came in here and dumped all this garlic powder in this pan. Like, I got this little napkin. Alright, so this is how dinner came out. The wings are done. I got a baked potato with some sour cream. and some green beans. So, yep, that's dinner. So, another day out picking up the kiddies from school. And as you can see, I still haven't done my hair. Oh my gosh. I still got this daggone scarf on. But with this being their last day of school.
Don't even open it. Baby, do you want me to open your stuff? Okay, which one do you want me to do?
With this being their last day of school, I get more time for me, so I should be able to get my hair done tomorrow. I'm trying to think as well about something else I was supposed to do, but I gotta get my hair done, Ace's hair done, because we need to be looking cute for Christmas, okay? Sometimes we slack on Thanksgiving time, but we always try to look our bestest for Christmas. So, look at me. With that being said, we're gonna go do the pickups and head on in. Hopefully I can get through Ace's hair tonight without him giving me the time of my life while trying to do it. It's something else. Oh, they sent Ace and them home with gifts. Even though August's classroom is closed still, they still sent him home a couple of Christmas presents. So they sitting up there opening one of them now. But that was nice. I thought they was gonna give stuff like food wise for Christmas, because they did that for Thanksgiving. But I guess they just went with the Christmas presents this year. So either way, it was still a very nice gesture. They sent them home with like 2 gifts apiece. And then they got like some other random stuff, but wasn't gift wrap, but it's still like brand new stuff that could serve as gifts or stuff for them to play with until they open up their presents.